Hello, good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2013 government pass question. Question number 2 says power that is delegated is exercised dash. Power that is delegated is exercised dash. That is delegated power. That's what we call delegated power. And when we talk of delegated power, it means transfer of power to a subordinate. Option A say that indirect, option B say by devolution, C say directly, then D say coercion. Power that is delegated or that is transferred to subordinate is indirect, so option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.